Okay, so for 23, it says it's a continuous piecewise function, and we're trying to figure out what a is. So guys, remember, for something to be continuous, the limit has to exist on both sides. So if we find the limit as x approaches, now, and they're not using a number here, they're using a. Normally this would be a number. So the limit as x approaches a of x squared minus a squared over x minus a. So you can do this a couple of different ways. If you want to go ahead and do direct substitution, like we've been doing, I would just plug in a everywhere there's an x, which would give you 0 over 0, which is that indeterminate form. Then this will allow you to do L'Hopital's rule. So if we do L'Hopital's rule, we're still finding the limit as x approaches a. You're going to do the derivative of the numerator. So derivative of x squared will be 2x. Remember, a is just acting as a number here. So derivative of a squared will just be 0. Derivative of x will be 1. And then once again, a is just a number, like 4. And the derivative of that would be 0. So now if you do direct substitution, this will be 2a. Okay, so because it also tells you that the place where it's defined is 4, these two things would have to be equal. If you remember, for continuity, there was 3 parts. The third part said that the limit and where it's defined had to be equal. So then you can just solve this for a, and a will be equal to 2.